This is the free motion quilting tutorial for Lacey Lattice. This is stitched in kind of a figure 8 pattern. You're going to come down with a nice teardrop shape, hit the side of the teardrop shape above, and then swing up with a symmetrical teardrop shape. And this kind of connects in a really interesting way to make this nice lacy, latticey kind of look. And this is actually a design that I used to use in beadwork, stitching small beads together in this pattern in order to make bracelets and necklaces. And I think that it works just as equally good in quilting. This is a stitch that's going to work really well in your open, uncomplicated areas, such as your sashing. If you're using a particularly skinny sashing, like maybe only 1 inch to 2 inches finished, you could stitch this down the whole length of your sashing and fill it all up with this wonderful attention-getting texture. Of course, keeping this consistent could be a little bit of trouble all the way down your piece, so if you have to, mark it. Mark the width of the stitch or the length of each teardrop in order to keep them a consistent distance. When you get to the end of your row, just try and start another row of Lacey Lattice that's going to be about the same height and the same width of the teardrops above it. It's a little difficult to stack simply because if you vary the width of your row, it can be very noticeable. But like I said, marking always works. And here's what it looks like when you finish Lacey Lattice. For over 100 videos on free motion quilting, check out daystyledesigns.com.